220 Avenue G, Snohomish, Washington. Dates February 18th, 2021. Coming back from the Snohomish City, Maine here. We'll zero out our footage. Oh, maybe we won't. We're at 50 feet. Coming back. Got a good offset lip there right at the city. Kind of as we had expected to see. 6-inch diameter clay pipe coming back. That's our 4-inch by 6-inch sewer diameter shift, I'm fairly certain. And then this 4-inch, there's quite a bit of sewage buildup at the end here. You got a hose close by?
How all our hoses are in that.
Just want to flush some of that stuff out. I'm going to end the video there. We got a good look at that line. 50 to 15, 6-inch, and then a couple of feet of 4-inch back to this clean out. I'm going to flush this out and see if we can't see a little better, but I'm going to end the video there.